everyone. Let us talk about how you are maintaining your HRMS records and how do you process your payroll related operations on a daily basis. So if you are struggling to keep those records, or if you are tired of processing your salaries and attendance using the Excels or spreadsheets or by any other software which is not that much helping to you, so here we are to resolve all your HRMS and payroll related issues. Wanna know how? So for that you'll have to stay tuned with me for the next few minutes and then I'll show you how. So this is what is going to help you. HRMS software HR Pearls, a complete HRMS package offered by Webtel with hire to retire services just in a single software. So HRMS or HR Pearls is a complete package of payroll management system, compliance management system, HRMS and employee self-services portal. And this is going to help you to have all the functions at one spot. You just need to know how to operate it, and guess what? That is not much difficult. So let me just take you to the software so that you will know how the software is going to work. So this is how the HR Pearls software is going to look like. Now in here you can see there are a lot of modules available. You can use any of the modules to process your payroll related functions or compliance related operations. But these options can be edited by the client himself. You can yourself enable or disable any of the options as per your requirement. If you do not want to have this particular module, you can disable it. If you do not want to have this section, you can disable it. So it is up to you which options you want to have in the software or which you do not want. So you can enable or disable as per your own wish. Then there are multiple users. If you want to create in the software, you can have a number of users created into it. Along with the access rights, if you want to restrict some persons to restricted access, then you can do that also. You just have to provide that access and assign it to an employee, then that employee will not be able to access rights other than he has been assigned. Now as you can see on the screen, there is a flowchart available. So firstly, when the implementation of the product has been completed by our team, after that when you are going to use the software, you need not worry about what the process should be, what should be the next step. For that you will just have provided with the flowchart. You just need to know how to go it with. You'll just have the process in front of you. You just need to click onto that button and go forward with the flow. This is the complete process of how you are going to prepare an employee master in the software, how you are going to maintain the attendance. Now coming to the attendance, you can have your daily attendance in here and have monthly attendance also. For the preparation of attendance, if you want to have your attendance using the biometric device, you can configure your biometric device also. If you want to get your attendance imported using the Excel, you can import Excel file also. And if you want to have your attendance entered manually, then it is also possible. So here are a number of modes by which you can enter your attendance, and you can have the reports related to the attendance as well. Then after you have processed your attendance, if there is any advance payments or repayments going to be done, if there is any loan repayment is to be done, reimbursement details are going to be done, tax declarations or investment proofs, all these three things can be uploaded using the ESS portal. Any proof of reimbursement or tax declaration or investments can be uploaded using the ESS portal. The HR or the responsible person in the organization need not upload all the documents by themselves. The employees are going to upload their documents by their own side, and what the software is going to do, you are going to use the software to approve those documents as per the declarations they have submitted in the financial year beginning. So you just have to approve those details, and as per the approved details, the tax details and the compliances are getting calculated into the software. Then salary process and salary posting. Using one single salary button, you can just calculate your reimbursements, your salaries in altogether one spot. Then there is TDS computation, payment of salary. You can generate your bank transfer sheet from here and send it to the bank to release of the salary. Then if there is any reimbursements, if you want to have any other kind of report, you want to have full and final settlement. For full and final settlement, you want to have clearances done. The clearances can also be done using the ESS portal. You just have to provide the category or criteria on the basis of which the software will ask for the clarification or clearances process. You can manage your travels over here. You can manage your assets over here. If there are any assets applicable to the employees, you can assign those assets to those employees, and then these assets can be recovered and you can maintain all the details of those assets into the software. So this is how we are going to use the software. Along with these, we are having a lot of other functions else also. As you can see, there is a tab of import data. This complete tab is going to use to import the data if you are having in bulk. You do not need to enter every data on single basis. You can just download the Excel template, and once you have downloaded the Excel template, you can directly get your data into the template and import it into the software. So every button in the import data is going to upload your database into the software. Similarly, you can prepare your own templates for the offer letters or relieving letters or experience letters or any other kind of HR related document you want to have into the software. You can prepare your own templates. When providing to the employee, you just have to select the candidate to whom you want to provide that document, and the software will automatically punch the details of that specific employee you have selected in the variable fields you have entered into the template. So you do not need to get to worry to create the document each and every time. Then there are some other compliance related reports also. If you want to generate your TDS returns, ECR for PF or ESI, LWF for PT details, you can generate it through the software. TDS challan can be maintained over here. TDS return can be generated from here. 24Q and 26Q, both of the returns can be prepared from here. So I hope you have liked these brief functions we are offering with the HRPearl software. But apart from these, there are a lot of other functions also. If you want to know all the functions of HRMS, you can contact us by our website or write to us or contact us at our contact centers. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day ahead.